Hello and welcome to this short presentation about why choosing a foreign language for your GCSE. Bonjour, hola. I'm sure lots of you have enjoyed learning languages in year 7 and 8 and you feel ready to take the language for GCSE. So let's see what are the good things and how useful it can be about studying a foreign language. For a start, it's fun. We've done a lot of pair work, group work. It's a subject where you're very active. It helps you develop your communication skills. You'll find out about other people and cultures. When you learn a language, it actually will make you more employable, particularly now where the world is this global village. You not only you learn about other countries, other cultures, but it makes you reflect on yourself, on your own country, and on your own culture. It is basically a window onto the world. It will give you more confidence, and if you go on holiday, you'll have different languages you can use. Now, languages are also part of the EBAC qualification, and that means that the skills are important for many companies, organizations, charities, and colleges think that language GCSEs are highly valuable. So it will help you develop many skills, social skills, the ability to work in a team, communication skills, problem-solving skills. It will allow you to become more confident when speaking. It will broaden your experience. Learning a language is a way to open your mind and make you more flexible. Now, the course has 4 skills. You will be studying language through listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The course is broken down in 3 themes. The first theme is about identity and culture, where you learn to talk about yourself and others, your family, your friends. The second theme is to try to learn about where you live, so from your local area to a more global area, and talk about the environment. And the last theme is theme 3, where you learn to talk about education and your further plans and projects. Everything is assessed at the end of year 11. You have listening, speaking, reading, and writing at the end of year 11. There's plenty of cross-curricular links. So when you learn a foreign language, it has link with English, as not only you're learning a new language, but it's helping you to reflect on your own language. It will link up with history. There will be some overlaps as well with history and geography, art, PSHE, and RE. Eventually, if you decided to go to university, you could either study the language on its own, or you can combine it with other subjects. So, for example, you can have linguistic in a language, engineering, travel and tourism, law, nursing. It's becoming now very popular to have a language combined to another subject at university. Now, there's plenty of jobs in which having a language could be useful. If you were working for an airline, in advertising, the media, event management, business, teaching, hotel management, nursing, translating, interpreting, tourism, web design, and many others. certainly if you have a language, it will make you stand a little bit out from the crowd, and it will improve your job prospect. So hopefully we will welcome you in September in our French or Spanish courses. Adios, au revoir, goodbye.